कर्नाटका और सौराष्ट्र के बीच है।
Mike, go for it.
Heads.
Heads is the call.
Yeah,
Heads it is. Jaydev, what are you going to do?
we would like to bowl first.
Jaydev Unadkar, as is the norm, starts the proceedings for Saurashtra. He's a formidable bowler. He's a wonderful bowler, very seasoned campaigner. Oh, Chetan went for, tried to pull the ball, couldn't, because of the pace of the ball, was caught brilliantly by Chirag Jani. Oh, it's up in the air, up in the air. Fielder under it, and he makes no mistake. Goes out for 4, 9 for 2, Karnataka. Look at that. That is why his strike rate is 184.
ना मुझे लगा वन बाउंस है, ना मुझे लगा वन बाउंस है कि मैंने तो लाइव देखते संगी अपना ओपिनियन दे दिया था। अब यहाँ से तीसरे अंपायर साहब को क्या दिख रहा है जो शायद हमें ना नजर आया, इतनी दूर से जूमर भी ऑन हो चुका है।
He's given him out. Look at that. Karnataka struggling at 16 for 3. Oh, that's nicely bowled. Very nicely played.
रन जाएंगे अभी। धीमी गति का इस्तेमाल, लेकिन भाग्य ने साथ दिया। यहाँ पैडल रखना एक्सेलेट के ऊपर, लेकिन यहाँ पर पैडल रख दिया शरजीत ने कमाल की बल्लेबाजी करते हुए। कदमों का इस्तेमाल कवर्स के ऊपर से मैक्सिमम होगा, बाउंड्री के बाहर, ये 6 रन के लिए।
Big hit. Has he got enough? He certainly has. Stand and deliver. Yeah, this time he's got it right. That's enough on the bat to topple that point in short third fielder. That's a mighty hit. One bounce into the fence.
फील्डर है पीछे, लेकिन नहीं रोक पाएगा। दूर गई है, ऊंची भी गई है और दूर भी गई है।
Oh, that's trouble. That's gone straight up in the air. Keeper and short third. Keeper has gobbled that one. Very unlike Shreyas Iyer. 6 of the previous ball and a big hoik. Shreyas Gopal, I beg your pardon. That's up in the air. That's another catch. It's a simple one. Saurashtra have been superb on the field today. This is where they belong. This is the Saurashtra we've seen over the last few years.
And that's a fantabulous shot. Very well connected and out of the park. Now this one was bowled at a normal pace and was hooked away for 4.
Nicely played. कोशिश भरपूर थी फील्डर के द्वारा, लेकिन लगता नहीं, क्योंकि आउटफील्ड लाइटनिंग क्विक।
Slower one again goes into the hands, and that's a wicket. That's a wicket of Abhinav Manohar. Good wicket.
That'll go for 4.
आजकल दमखम है पिछले बल्लेबाजों के ऊपर, और ऐसा ही हुआ।
That's up in the air. It's in the gap though. Ooh, I reckon it's fallen on the rope.
रन जाएंगे यहाँ पर, बैक टू बैक बाउंड्रीज आती हुई। यॉर्कर लेंथ आउट देते हुए अंपायर, यॉर्कर लेंथ मिस किया वहां पर। और जब आप यॉर्कर को मिस कर दें तो चांसेस बहुत कम होते हैं आपके बचने के, और बचे नहीं यहाँ पर। 7वें विकेट का पतन हुआ।
It's 43 of 22. Karnataka 153 for 7. That's a biggie. That's out of here. That's the problem with the Yorker. The bailout on either side is an easy peasy hit.
रन जाएंगे यहां पर, वो भी बाउंड्री के रूप में। इस बार फिर यॉर्कर की कोशिश, हवा में फील्डर मौजूद, सीधा लॉन्ग ऑन के हाथ में, थोड़ा भागना पड़ा लेकिन गलती नहीं की किसी ने। जय गोहिल वहां पर मौजूद थे। जय गोहिल ने आंखें टिकाई रखी आखिर तक और बेहतरीन कैच पकड़ने में कामयाबी मिली उनको।
20 overs, 171 for 8. Fighting total 30 short. Saurashtra will need 172, 2 runs and over in 20 overs at 8.60.
कर्नाटका की क्या रणनीति रहती है? क्या वो रनों पर अंकुश लगा पाते हैं? क्योंकि सौराष्ट्र को 172 रनों की जरूरत 120 बॉल में, और 172 रन बिलो पार टोटल कहा जा सकता।
Ball 1. Little hint of outswing. Oh, that's a mighty hit. That's gone for 4 as well. Beautifully placed, little bit left of that point fielder. Another biggie, and once it hits the middle of Harvick's bat. Another biggie, another one in the stands. Stand and deliver. Short ball outside off stump, little cut, picking the gap.
और इसी के साथ पहली सफलता मिलती हुई विद्याधर पाटिल को अगेंस्ट द रन ऑफ प्ले, शॉर्ट लेंथ बॉल।
That'll go for 4. A drag down of the last ball from Shreyas Gopal.
That's a fantabulous shot. Just pitching ahead and Prerak taking full advantage of that ball by Manwant.
बहुत ही कमाल का शॉट है।
What a shot that one. Pitched it right up and Prerak made full use of the length and dispatched it for a 6. Short ball again and they look for a 2. That's trouble for them. That's trouble. That's trouble. That's trouble. Prerak wanted that second run, but that was a fantabulous throw.
प्रेरक मांकड़ ने 25 बनाए। कैप मिल गया है यहां।
और आज भी कोई भी विकेट नहीं, लेकिन यहां पर रनों की भरमार चलती हुई।
That's another one. That's another 4.
संघर्षपूर्ण पूल है, इतना आसान होगा नहीं यहां पर। तो अगर आपको मौका मिला, मिस फील्ड।
Oh, that is a short length ball. Another boundary. Back to back, 2 boundary. Short length ball pulled and completes his 50. Wonderful 50 by Harvick Desai. It was another half tracker by Bandage. Dropped back and pulled for 4.
And that's a very soft dismissal of Gajjar.
समर गलती हो गई आपसे। 17 रन बनाए, आउट हुए और तीसरा विकेट 124 पे सौराष्ट्र ने खोया।
And that's a good shot played by Harvick. Harvick is in full flow.
विकेट मिल गई एक और। चूक हो गई या हार्विक से। सेट बल्लेबाज आउट होके जब भी बाहर जाता है ना, कभी कभी मुश्किलों का पहाड़ सा आके गिर जाता है आपके ऊपर।
To Dharmendra Singh Jadeja, that was a good swing and the maximum there. And that's a short ball, but straight hold out to mid wicket. Mayank Agarwal, the catcher.
धर्मेंद्र सिंह जाडेजा ने मात्र 8 रन बनाए।
Huge hit. Huge one. Longer side of the boundary. Waited for eternity with the slow ball to reach him and gave it the full Monty. Has he got enough? Has he got enough? Just about. The shorter side. Must have had his heart in his mouth for a while. That is the win. 173 for 5. They've toppled the Karnataka score of 171. That was one Very good chase with 11 balls to spare.